Hi everyone, I just got this professional towel warmer. Let's check it out. This is a professional hot towel warmer cabinet. It can hold up to 24 small towels, small face towels. It does all around heating and it heats from 158 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes nicely packaged and it comes with a drip tray, so when you're taking out the steamy towels, you're not dripping anywhere. It also has a convenient handle for opening and a nice easy on-off switch. It comes with the power cord for easy assembly. It has a stainless steel basket for the towels to go in. It has a double sealed door. And the nice thing about this is it can also heat your stones for massage. It can heat your beauty tools, and you can put your salon tools in there for heating as well. Overall dimensions are 10.5 inches wide by 7.5 inches deep and 5.5 inches high. So it will fit nicely in your salon, on a shelf, or even in a cabinet. If you think you can use this towel warmer, you can find it on Amazon. Thanks for watching.